Hey there, welcome. Today we like to share with you a method that we are following to make our children memorize a chapter in the Bible or memorize any passage in the Bible. So before we share with you the method that we are following, please have a look at this video where Gamaliel is reciting Psalms chapter 91.
Hi, my name is Gamaliel. I'm 7 years old. Psalms 91. He who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress. My God, in Him I will trust. Surely He shall deliver you from the snare of the fowler and from the perilous pestilence. You shall not be afraid of the terror by night, nor of the arrow that flies by day, nor of the pestilence that walks in darkness, nor of the destruction that lays waste at noonday. 1,000 shall fall at your side, and 10,000 at your right side, but it shall not come near you. Only with your eyes shall you look and see the reward of the wicked. Because you have made the Lord, who is my refuge, even the Most High, your dwelling place. No evil shall befall you, nor shall any plague come near your dwelling. For He has gave His angels charge over you to keep you in all your ways. They shall bear you up in their hands, lest you dash your foot against a stone. You will tread upon the lion and the adder, the young lion and the adder shall trample under feet. Because He has set His love upon me, therefore I will deliver him. He shall call upon me and I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will deliver him and honor him. With long life will I satisfy him and show him my salvation.
Well, that was Gamaliel reciting Psalms 91 for us. Okay, now let's see an example how we can follow the method that we are using with our children. Say for example, let me take the example of Psalms 23. So we all know Psalms 23. We have recited since our childhood many times. Okay, so here is Psalms 23. Well, so there are a total of 6 verses in Psalms chapter 23. Okay, based on the age group of the child, if your child is below 5 years or below 4 years, you can plan 1 verse a day. If your child is 6 years and above, you can plan 2 verses a day. Okay, for Gamaliel, he is 7 years old, so we went ahead with 2 verses a day. Okay, so let me give an example for you for the age group between 3 to 5. So how to make a 3 to 5 years old memorize a chapter. Yeah, so day 1 we read the first verse, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. So we read this, we make the child repeat it for a couple of times, that's it. Now coming to day 2, on second day we again start from the first verse, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Then we move on to the second verse, He makes me to lie down in green pastures, He leads me besides the still waters. So we repeat verse 1 and verse 2 together for a couple of times. On day 3 we recite verse 1, verse 2, verse 3. And all the 3 verses we say for a couple of times. So it again depends on the child, whether the child wants to repeat 2 times or 3 times or 5 times. The same we do until we come to the last verse, that is verse 6. So on day 6 we will be reciting all the 6 verses together for a couple of times. So this way a child will memorize all the 6 verses. It might take 1 week, it might take 10 days, or even your child can learn even in 2 or 3 days the entire chapter. The same thing we will be doing with children above 6 years as well, but instead of just adding 1 verse a day, we can go ahead with 2 verses a day. So it's like on day 1, verse 1 and 2 we learn, we say it a couple of times. On day 2 along with verse 1 and 2 we add verse 3 and 4, and all the 4 verses we recite couple of times. On day 3 along with verse 1, 2, 3, 4 we add verse 5 and 6 as well. So this way, and after day 6 there are 6 verses. So once we add all the 6 verses, every day we keep saying from verse 1 to verse 6 together for a couple of times. One important thing that we need to know here is that we should not force the child to remember the word, or we should not discourage them by asking, okay, what is the next word, what comes, what is the next verse, that way. Like, let them say in their own pace of time, let them take the number of days that they take to memorize one chapter, let it be completely upon them. We should not force them to memorize. So that's one. And another important thumb rule to follow here is, when we want our children to memorize a chapter or any passage in the Bible, it's important that we also join them in this process. So by default, when we help them to learn every day, we also end up memorizing that particular chapter or the passage. So I hope you love this method that we shared with you. So do try out this method and you can share your experience and your feedback with us. So we are looking forward to hear from you how this method worked for your child.
Hello, my name is Sean. I am 4 years old. He who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of my Almighty. I will say of my Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress. My God, in Him I will bless. Surely He shall deliver you under the shadow of my Almighty.
Surely He shall deliver you
Surely He shall deliver you
from the snare of the fowler,
from the snare of the fowler,
and from
perilous pestilence.
We'll learn the next verse, Sean. You repeat after me.
Lord,
Okay?
He shall
Cover you with His feathers,
cover you with His feathers,
and under His wings
and under His wings
you shall find refuge.
you shall find refuge.
Again,
He shall
cover you
cover you
with His feathers,
with His feathers,
and under His wings
and under His wings
you shall find refuge.
you shall find refuge.
His truth
His truth
shall be your
shall be your
truth and buckler.
truth and buckler.
His truth
His truth
shall be your
shall be your
truth and buckler.
truth and buckler.
Can you say this now? He shall
He shall
cover you.
cover you.
Can you stand up nicely, please?
No, I want to sit.
No, can you please stand up?
Then you can bend it down.
Okay. Okay, can you say, He shall cover you
He shall cover you
with His feathers,
with His feathers,
and under His wings
and under His wings
you shall find refuge.
you shall find refuge.
His truth
His truth
shall be your shield and buckler.
shall be a shield and buckler.
Now,